Okay, so hello everyone. So welcome to day, I think it's day 8 of the series. So yes, so yeah, today we'll be actually doing 3 questions. So this will be a long video. I won't make it that long, I promise. Okay, so let's try. So this is number 9. Okay, this is number 9. A car is initially stationary. So you know that U is gonna be 0 meter per second. I will write units, okay. It has a constant acceleration of 2 meter per second. Okay? 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Calculate the velocity of the car after 10 seconds. Okay, so t is equals to 10. So now, so just let me do this. So we just need help. We just need to use the equation. A equals to v minus u over t. Or you can rearrange it if you want. But yeah, let's rearrange it actually. V equals to u plus a t. Yes. So this will be the equation that we'll use. So u is 0, a is 2, and t is 10. So we just do that. V will be 20 meter per second. So yes. So the answer to number 8 is 20 meter per second. Let's write that. Okay, my brush is too big. Okay, so let's go to number B. Okay, calculate the distance traveled by the car. Okay, so the distance, we define the distance traveled by the car. Okay, so there's an equation for this. There's actually distance or displacement equals to u t plus 1 minus 2 squared. Wait a second, okay. Plus 1 minus 2 squared. Okay. So yes, I just need substitute these numbers into the equation. So u will be 0, so that will just be 0, so 1/2. A, which is 2, t is 10, square. This is cancelled out, so it will be 100 meters. So the answer to the question number B is 100 meters. Okay. So now let's do a C. Calculate the time taken by the car to reach the velocity of 24 meters per second. Okay. So I have to calculate the time taken by the car to reach a velocity of 24 meters per second. So we can use the normal a equals to b minus u over t equation, like this. See? So a equals to b minus u over t. We can actually rearrange it, but yes. Let's rearrange it. I keep forgetting to rearrange. I'm so used to that in our equations that I forget to rearrange. Alright, so u is 0. As you can see, initially stationary, so it'll be 0 plus acceleration, which is 2, and we don't have time. Actually, I rearrange it wrong. We don't know time. Given time, t is gonna be 24 meters per second. So yeah, I can just do this. 2t equals to 24. Okay, and then t equals to 12 seconds. So the car will take 12 seconds to reach 24 meters per second. So yeah, these are the answers to this question. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. Okay guys, so this is question number 10, or it is question number 2 in our case. So yeah, let's read the question. The train accelerates steadily from 0 meter per second to 20 meter per second in 100 seconds. Okay, calculate the acceleration of the train. So we just use the normal. E equals to v minus u. My annotation is really bad. The touch screen is really bad. Minus u over t. I might need to buy a new stylus or something. V is both V is 20, and U is what is it? U is 4, and then T is 100 seconds. Broke my 100 seconds, so 16 over 100 seconds. Let's use the calculator. That will be 0.16 meter per second square. So with this, alright, so this is the answer to this question, 0.16 meter per second square. My brush was too big. Now let's go to number B. From its inertial and final velocities, calculate the average velocity of the train. Okay, to find the average velocity, so the normal equation for finding the average is like the total amount of the data, and then the number amount of the data. So just use that, right? So we know that the velocity in u, so we have to find the difference between them. We have to find the sum of those values, and then you divide it by 2 to find the average speed. So v in this case would be 20 plus 4. So this will be 12 because this is 24. This is 24, and it will be 2 divided by 2, which is 12. So the average velocity of the train is about 12 meters per second. Okay, now let's go to number C. My touch screen is so bad. Let me see. Calculate the distance traveled by the train in the time of 100 seconds. So we just use this equation as equals to u t plus 1 by 2 at squared. U will be 4. T is 100 seconds plus 1/2 acceleration, 0.16 multiplied by t squared. And then I'll just use the calculator now. I just use the calculator for this. 1/2 0.16 100 squared. Look at 800 plus 400, and then that would be 1200. The 1200 meters. So the train will travel 1200 meters in the time of 100 seconds. So these are the answers to question number 10 or question number 2 in our case. So yes. So let's move on to another question. Okay, so guys, so this is question number 11, or in our case, it is question number 3. So then let's do this. A car is moving at 8 meters per second. The driver makes it accelerate at 10 meters per second square, or a distance of 18 meters. What is the final velocity of the car? Okay, so we know u is 8 meters per second. We know a, which is acceleration. We know it's 1 meter per second, and distance, which is s, will be 18 meters. Okay, so we're going to find the velocity of the car, right? So we can just use the normal like v squared equals to blah blah and u squared or something equation, but I'm gonna try doing it differently. Yeah, I guess you could say. So yes, so what am I gonna do is first I'm gonna use this equation. S equals to ut plus 1/2 at squared to find the t right here. So let's do that. So as it's 18 u, which is 8. We don't know t, so it will be 8t. 1/2 a, which is going to be 1 minus 2t squared. So this is a quadratic equation, so I just solve that. So it will be 1/2 t squared plus 8t minus 18 equals to 0. So I just use the calculator to solve that. So it'll be 0.5, 8 and minus 18, or negative 18. So t equals to 2, or it will be t equals to minus 18. But minus 18 will be rejected because time can be negative, right? Time can only be positive, time can be negative. So it's t equals to 2. And then we use this t equals to 2 and then put it in a different equation, and we'll use the equation v equals to at plus u. So a will be 1 and t is 2 plus u is 8 meters. And this will get 10 meters per second. It's more easier to use the other IVs we're able to use for something equation. But I just want to try something out here. And then the answer to this will be 10 meters per second. So yeah, guys, so these are the the 3 questions that we did. So yes, well guys, so that will be it for today. So yes, we did 3 questions. It's really good. I'll try to do 4 questions tomorrow, but I'm not sure. So yes, guys, have a great day. Goodbye.